everybody, this is Rishima Chaju. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing fine. Today we're going to make veggie rice. Well, I'm sure you've heard this term before, but I'm equally sure that you've never tried it. Like this recipe, well, it's something that you would make on nights when you're too lazy to make dinner for yourself, but you don't want to eat unhealthy food. So this is the fix. And the most exciting part is that you only have to wash one pot. Yeah, it's a one pot meal. Let's get started with the recipe. So we need some chopped coriander, coconut oil, cheese, brown rice. It gives us a texture which we need, chopped veggies, mushroom, carrot, capsicum, onion, and a little bit of sweet corn. Maggi Magic Cube, unsweetened peanut butter, it's going to taste really good, and some salt. Let's get cooking. Now we're going to stir fry all the veggies and add the rice and then cook it. So here is the product. It looks really tasty and I can't wait to try it out. Yes, it's very hot. It's really good. Please try out this recipe. I am sure you will enjoy it, and please, if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. Please, as usual, comment, share, subscribe and like my videos. I'll be back with another video soon. Till then, bye bye.